Hello, everyone. Welcome to Miss Hank's second grade classroom. Um, this lesson, we're going to be looking at main idea, key details when reading a story. So we've already reviewed this in your previous lessons when you were in first grade, but now we're in second grade. We're going back over. So our goals are to, this project will help students identify the main idea and key details by asking and answering questions like who, what, when, where, why, and sometimes how. So let's get started. Our objectives are the students, you will be able to, at the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify and read a text and or view a video of a story to ask the questions who, what, when, where, and why, and how in order to determine the key details of a story. This first one is going to be on this read aloud with asking and answering questions. Because we're in a Google Classroom, this is an eSpark video, which means that it has been verified by the state. It is a nonfiction video. You're going to ask questions on who, what, when, where, why, and how in order to determine the main idea and the key details. And the activity is there. And there's also a follow-up that you would have to, like a discussion post that you would have to do after that. Sorry. The next objective is students will be able to demonstrate, understanding and main idea and key details of the story viewed or read by completing interactive activities to check for understanding. And that's gonna be on this. You're gonna find that activity on this main idea and key details H5P matching game. So the definitions to each one are going to be included in that matching game, how you would determine what's the main idea, what's the key detail. It also gives definitions of each uh, of each of the main idea and the key details. Also, I wanted to go over some other resources that could possibly help. This is a Nearpod lesson that I created right here on asking and answering questions. It's a video, and as you go through the video, it gives you information, and then it stops it for you to answer questions. And then I also included some visual resources like some anchor charts that are giving definitions of the main idea and the key details on what you should look for when you are completing an assignment or when you are reading a text or your library book yourself. Um, and that's about it for this assignment. If there's an assignment that you can't get to or you don't see like the discussion questions or the polls, just let me know, email me and let me know, and I will help you get to it, or I will figure out why it's not showing up. But this is our lesson on our main idea and key details. Thanks.